ABP न्यूज़ के इस वीडियो में हम कवर कर रहे हैं एक इवेंट विच इज़ बीइंग हेल्ड बाय हेडवर्ड। यहाँ पे हम इंटरेक्ट करेंगे कई पैनलिस्ट से, जिसमें इंक्लूड होते हैं फैकल्टी मेंबर्स एंड इवन CEOs ऑफ रेप्यूटेड एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशंस, और इनसे हम बात करेंगे कि कैसे ये नर्चर कर रहे हैं द स्किल्स to educate children ताकि वो better professionals बने for the future. So there's a great event that is happening over here. How did you come up with the concept of this event? How, because it is really good that we're talking about this.
India's demographic dividend is something which we need to encash upon. If we don't catch the child young, and if we don't get them the skills required for them to be future ready, I think we are facing for it. I mean, we are actually preparing us for a disaster. The huge changes which the government has brought in terms of how they look at education 2.0 or the next version of education, and these are some of the things which will go a long way in terms of ensuring that we have a very bright future as a country.
The experience will be a good teacher only when I learn from my experience.
Correct.
Only then it is a good teacher. If I have no learning, if I do not reflect on my experience, it has not been a teacher. So learning from experience is indeed good.
What skills are a necessity in today's times for the children?
I think for me it's about building in them adaptive skills, because world is changing. They need to know how to adapt to the world and what's happening in the world. Definitely creativity and critical thinking are very, very important, because if you want change to happen, if innovation has to happen, you can't do it without being a problem solver. You cannot be that without being able to have a very innovative thought process. So therefore those are very important skills. But I think more important than all of that is awareness of themselves. Who are they? Why are they learning? What's their purpose in life? It's very important for children to really know themselves, being self-aware, being able to manage themselves.
I think children need to be creative, children need to be thinking and thinking critically. Those to me are the most important skills. Communication, not just here and now, but within the augmented space, communication in the virtual space, all of that, and being able to work collaboratively with a whole lot of people.
मैं एक श्लोक से शुरू करती हूँ। नमस्ते शारदा देवी सर्वभागेश्वरेश्वरी विद्या सिद्धिं वाक्पटुतं विज्ञानं च प्रदहि मे. So what is important is Vijnanam and Vakpatutam, and communication skill is very, very important.
This is a very interesting thing that you said. Children at an early age, how are you working towards making them independent individuals, whether it comes to decision making, whether it comes to doing things on their own, taking up responsibilities?
I think children are born curious and independent. If you ask a 3-year-old, she will tell you what dress she wants to wear, what she wants to eat, when she wants to sleep. So it's not that they can't do it. It's that in the school we don't give them the opportunity to do it. And I think it's very important that a school gives the children an opportunity. When we say voice and choice, that's what we are talking about.
Since character development is a very essential thing in today's times, because looking at the rising crimes that is happening, or looking at whatever kind of incidents that we see in today's times, how are you working towards developing that? Whether it is learning to respect each other, whether it's how to take the right decision at the right time, whether it's to develop an overall personality.
So this cannot be done in a separate segment which we may call a value education lesson, or only through the morning assembly. Values and the character development and traits are actually imbibed from the entire environment around us.
Character building is an essential part of their growing up. And when children are taught to, take responsibility for their actions, to understand the consequences of their actions right from a very young age, I think they inculcate the values. You don't need to teach them.
मैम, क्योंकि टैबलेट्स एंड फ़ोन्स जो है वो बच्चे काफ़ी इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं, अब बच्चे इसका उपयोग भी कर रहे हैं, लेकिन इसका दुरुपयोग भी हो रहा है. सो व्हाट मैसेज डू यू हैव फॉर पेरेंट्स ऑफ हाउ दे कैन कम अप विद अ बेटर सॉल्यूशन फॉर देयर चिल्ड्रन?
It's not just the parent, it's as a community we need to work in. And like I said, that the critical thinking skill in the child needs to be harnessed. As a child, I need to do the filtering. I need to understand. As a child, unless I understand what is good, what is not so good, what I need to take, what I don't. So empowering the child and it is the empowerment of the child is the responsibility of the entire community, be it teacher, be it parent, be it any other community member, everybody.
तो ये था हमारा इंट्रैक्शन कुछ प्रिंसिपल्स के साथ और CEOs के साथ फ्रॉम रेप्यूटेड एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशंस। उम्मीद है आपको हमारे वीडियो बहुत ही पसंद आया होगा। ऐसे और वीडियोस के लिए आप सब्सक्राइब कीजिए टू ABP लाइव।